Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a whole bunch of Christmas hairstyles that you can wear to Christmas dinner, whether that's going to be in person with your household or if you're going to have to do it by Zoom. I actually don't know who's going to do Christmas by Zoom, but that's what they're saying we're going to have to do. So I'm going to be showing you a bunch of festive, fun Christmas hairstyles. I really hope that this video is helpful and at least helps to get you into the festive mood, because I myself haven't been feeling that Christmassy and I already feel more Christmassy because I'm making this video. Tell me your favorite one of these hairstyles in the comment section down below. I want to know your hair type. I want to know what you're wishing for this Christmas. Drop it all into the comment section and I will chat with you guys in that comment section. A lot of these hairstyles rely on you having curly hair or naturally curly hair. Anywhere on the curly hair spectrum works. You probably can do something similar if you have straight hair, but yeah, I have curly hair, so I'm doing it on my curly hair. So with all of that being said, I'm gonna jump into a voiceover now and let's jump into the hairstyles. So for this first hairstyle, I'm taking a ragtail comb and I'm gonna separate a parting at the top of my head. So sometimes I use the comb part and sometimes I use the pintail part, but either way, I use this to make a straight parting. And then I'm gonna separate the front sections of my hair like this. It gets a little bit tangled, but just take your time and be gentle. And then I take some hair ties like this. Any hair ties will do, but I like smaller ones for this. And I'm gonna brush or comb all of my hair up so it's nice and sleek and smooth, and then tie it. And this is kind of quite close to the top of my head, about crown area, and I just tie it like this, and then I go ahead and I do the other side as well. So then I'm taking some edge control. So this is the edge control by Curls. It's the Blueberry Bliss one, and I take that onto an edge brush. I got all of these things on Amazon, by the way, so I'll link it in the description box down below. And that is pretty much the hair, but we need to make this festive. So I've got some baubles. These keep falling out of my hands, but I run a bobby pin through them like this, and I just slide it into my hair. And I got these on either Amazon or eBay as well, so these will also be linked down below. So I put two on each side. One of them's matte, one of them's glossy, and that is the first little festive look. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Okay, we're on to the second look. So I'm just going to section my hair into two. So I'm going to keep this side over there. And then with this side, I'm going to take this whole half of my head up into a ponytail. So I'm going to take my comb again and just smooth everything out and then tie it up. So it's tied up like this. And then I'm going to wrap it loosely into a bun. So this is how I like to do my space buns. If you have shorter hair, you might not need to wrap it at all. It might already be a cute bun shape by itself, but that's how I like to do it, for a very nice round shape. And then I just pin it down. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to tie this side up as well. And I'm using those same normal hair ties. You could use a satin hair tie for this if you wanted to, but I was in a rush and these ones work well. They do the job, so I like them. If you know how to do a bantu knot, then this is kind of the same thing but just much looser. And then you can secure it with some bobby pins. But we are not done there, honey. No, because I found these cute little baubles. For some reason they call them beard baubles, but I'm thinking, I don't have a beard, but I've got some cute space buns. Can I put them in there? And the answer is yes, you can put them in there very easily. They have these little crocodile clips and you just clip them in. And they're definitely not as scary as they look. Like, they do not pull your hair out. They don't get stuck and stuff like that. They're actually really easy. So that's the look, and it's so cute. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. For that reason alone is my favorite. Next hairstyle. Make sure you don't have any bobby pins left in your hair, because I still find bobby pins in my hair when I do the next hairstyle. So I'm going to take the top section of my hair once again, but I don't have a middle parting this time because we're going to bring everything up into a half up, half down. So this time I'm taking a satin hair tie. I don't know why I didn't the other times, but I found my satin hair tie and I'm going to use that. I am going to comb all of my hair up into that hair tie and make sure there's no bumps, knots, and that kind of thing, because I want it to look sleek and smooth. And I'm going to tie that. now looks like this. And I'm going to use that same technique of running a bobby pin through some baubles, and I'm just going to secure it there like this. Like, I feel like this one looks way more grown up than if you had the two of them. I'm also going to run some of those beard baubles into that top section of my hair as well. So I feel like it just looks really cute. It just adds a little bit of jingle jangle to it as well. Very festive. Perfect for a Christmas dinner table. Okay, next look. I'm thinking about these curly bangs that I have. I don't need them. I'm going to swoop it to the side for this look. And then I'm going to create a side parting. And I'm going to comb all of my hair down in a swooping motion. And comb it all the way around the back as well, so that it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to tie that into a side ponytail with my satin scrunchie once again. Once you go satin, you never go back. I'm going to take some edge control again, because whenever I have a side parting like this, I like to bring my edges down in this kind of way. I don't know how to describe that. So then I have these amazing, beautiful, stunning snowflake hair clips that I also got on Amazon. And I'm going to slide those into my hair, and they look so cute. You know, it actually wasn't as easy to put these in as it looks, but I figured it out, and there we go. It looks cute. This one is classy. It's serving me black tie dinner table looks. Like, if you have a type of family that likes to get really glammed up at Christmas, then this is the look for you. Okay, tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Okay, next look. I'm taking all of my hair out, and I am gonna separate a slither of hair at the front of my head. It's gonna be about 1 inch or 2 inches thick in width, and I'm going to separate the rest of my hair so that it doesn't get involved. And then we have these two front sections. I am going to separate a little bit of a fringe. I don't want the full fringe like what I had in the other looks. I just want a very, very tiny bit. And then with this part, I'm going to smooth it down, brush it down with my edge brush. Any sort of brush will do, but I'm using my edge brush. And then I am going to bring those around to the back of my head, the nape of my neck, and tie them together with that satin hair tie once again. And this is serving me off-duty model looks, but I'm going to take that bun down, and this is how we're going to leave it. So I'm just going to smooth everything down again with some more of that edge control. And then, of course, we had to make it festive. So I'm adding 2 of those clips. And that is the look. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. And there you have it. Those are the hairstyles. Remember to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Also, tell me in the comment section which one of these hairstyles was your favorite. I don't know which one is my favorite personally, because at first I thought it was the one with the space buns and the baubles like this. Like, I was obsessed with that one. And now that I've done this one, I'm like, actually, I don't know. I just like them for like different reasons. Like, I feel like this one is like cute and kind of casual, like more wearable. Like, maybe you could go out to the store wearing this and people wouldn't really be like thinking that was crazy or anything. But if I wore the one with the baubles, like, that's way more fun. Like, that's got to be at home with family and friends and stuff, because if I walk out like that, people might think that I'm crazy. But either way, they're still cute. That's just my take on them, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, tell me in the comment section what your hair type is and what you're looking forward to for Christmas and the new year. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications to make sure you don't keep missing my videos. Also, get me on Instagram for the blessings and the breakdowns, because I put it all on there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.